Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl sonyaelledee. I hope you're all well. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a full face of black owned products. With everything that's going on at the moment, it's had a massive ripple effect on so many different industries. This is something that I really do want to make sure that I am being conscious of and really push this into my future, which is implementing more black owned brands in my makeup looks, and not necessarily the big ones. Obviously we all know JUVIAS and Fenty. I do get quite a lot of PR from smaller indie brands, so I want to give them some time to shine today. So yeah, so some things I have, there's a fly. Other things I don't have, but I do have an eyebrow pencil. This is by Aloise Beauty. This is her Luxe brow pencil. You guys may have seen this before, or if you're on my Instagram, you would have definitely seen me use this. It is literally one of my favorite brow pencils ever. This fly won't go away. Sorry. She's based in Nigeria, but I know that they do sell it here in the UK as well. In the UK, I think it's £7, so that is super duper affordable, and the packaging is really nice. And I'm going to be going in with the shade Dark Brown. So you can see how pigmented that pencil is, and it doesn't leave you with a waxy look as well, which I really love. And it's the right amount of warmth as well. It doesn't go into that red area, and it's also not too like ashy cool tone. It's like the perfect in between. I'm gonna clean up my brows with the Juvia's Place, oh, there's cat hair on it, concealer in 14. I've not used this before. This was just recently sent to me with the foundation. I'm hoping it's the right kind of shade, but I've heard good things about this and the coverage, that is really good. So hopefully it'll be good to clean up my brows. We'll see. We'll find out together. Done what it needs to do, covered up everything, and it's blending out very nice as well. I'm happy with that. Okay, so brows did to satisfaction. I'm just gonna set them lightly with my Beauty Bakery flour powder, ever so lightly. Just go with them. Boom. This helps to mattify them as well and stops any kind of like shiny brow look that ain't cute. Okay, so for eyes, I'm thinking of doing something like more soft glam today rather than the cut crease boom da. These are my go-to neutral palettes. These two are by a brand called EBENE. Hope I pronounced that right. These are just these are beautiful. It is a Senegalese brand, and I've got a lot of their products, and I just love everything. This palette is just so rich and nice, and it is called the chocolate palette. If I don't use this, normally I would go for Brew palette by September Rose Cosmetics. People know September Rose from her Slush palette and the colorful stuff, but yeah, this is my kind of palette all day every day. Kind of battered because yeah, I use it a lot. I also have the Brown Melanin Makeup Melanin Fantasy palette. That felt like I was just MCing there. This I probably need to pick up a bit more. I don't know why I don't, because yeah, this is my kind of colors, and this is also suitable to be like a face palette as well. The winner of my deep session of thought has to be the chocolate palette from EBENE Cosmetics. Senegal in the house, hey. I don't have a black owned eyeshadow base, so I've just gone in with the P. Louise Rumor 5 base, starting with this deep chocolate shade here in the middle called Coffee. Come on, look at that. You guys saw that. This palette is so pigmented. It's crazy. Push and wiggle. Yeah, that's my technique. This is on a Morphe M506. As I get closer to my inner eye, I'm just tapping a little bit more lightly. So using the same brush, I'm just gonna go into Cacao, and I'm gonna half overlap Coffee. I'm gonna pull this all the way into my inner corner. So I'm just going to go back into Coffee and deepen up everything a bit more. This fly will not leave me alone. Gosh, go away. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I've got a fruit fly in here, and it's one lone fly by itself, and he is just, yeah, he wants to be involved in this video. We can coexist if he keeps his space and I keep mine, but yeah, he keeps on trying to get involved for some very strange reason. It's getting on my nerves. Soft Glam has left the building. This is now becoming a smoky eye. Sorry. So I'm not gonna cut my crease, but I am gonna put a little bit of my base down, just so, yeah, I can kind of create a false crease, because we are part of the little hooded eye fam. So yeah, I just need to kind of create the illusion of more lid space, and I'm just gonna soften out the edges of that with a fluffy brush. So you see straight away now I look like I have lid space. It's all a lie. So I am going to go into my September Rose palette because I love her so much. I think I'm going to go into the black first, just to deepen up the outside crease. Again, still using the same brush because I'm lazy. I don't want to clean a load of brushes after this at all. So I'm just going to press that on into the corner. Simple. Very simple. For me, these last few weeks have been really tough. If you do follow me on Instagram, you'll realize that, yeah, I haven't really been posting much. Mentally, it's just been hard and sad. For me personally, it's like everything just opened up some old wounds. I had a moment where I was trying to speak about my experiences on my Instagram stories, and I just kept on choking up. And just one of those moments where you realize how much trauma you've been repressing inside. And I was going through some stories in my head, and there was little things that not that I forgot about, you kind of just put it into a little bank at the back of your mind. But yeah, everything just kind of just all came back up. Been so hard. These pigments from Aloise Beauty. Eloise is a black co-owned brand. I'm going to use one of their pigments. But look at these. These are absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but this is like red and green and purple all at the same time. It's so beautiful. And this one is it's like a chameleon kind of shade. So pretty. I think I'm going to go in with the more chameleon shade. This is shade number 5, I believe. So I'm just going to see how that goes on the base by itself. Such a pretty shade. Wow, that's so beautiful. I wasn't really expecting it to be like that. I thought it was going to be nice, but like this is something else. That's so beautiful. That is it dry. Like, imagine that wet. Ooh. Ooh. Soft Glam, yeah. I'm just gonna go back into those eyeshadows just to work on the blends a little bit more. I've just popped some liner on, lashes on as well now. Okay, so now skin, of course, as yeah, this kind of eye look, you can't go out with no foundation, you know, you need to bring it up a bit. I do have a foundation from EBENE Cosmetics, and I've also received the JUVIAS Place. And I've also received the JUVIAS Place I Am Magic foundation in the shade Somalia. This is a lovely foundation. It's a little on the warm side for me, so I am going to try JUVIAS out. God willing, I'm hoping that it works, but if it doesn't, then I'll use the EBENE Cosmetics one. I've only just used a pea-size amount. And as per usual, I am currently picking cat hair from my foundation brush. Shade-wise, that looks okay. Oh, that's really nice. So you see how that's just matching with my neck and chest area. Very good. I like. I didn't use a lot of it, so I don't think I'm getting the full coverage, but even with the little bit that I used, it's still covering up quite a lot. Yes, I like. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with the I Am Magic concealer. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, this again, shade 14. It's what I used on my eyebrows as well. Just going to tap that out with the same brush. And I'm going to go in over that with a damp blender. This is just a standard Primark one. There we go. Another JUVIAS Place product. This is one of their foundation sticks, and this is in the shade Sokoto. Same brush again. I'm going to just blend that out. I'm going to set my under eyes with the Beauty Bakery Flower powder. This is literally like the most finest powder that I've ever used. It's so nice, and I will most definitely be repurchasing as soon as this finishes. I think we're almost getting there. And for my contour, I'm just gonna go in with the brown melanin makeup the brown melanin makeup palette, and I'm going to mix these two shades here just to set my deeper areas. And for blush, I'm just gonna go into a little teeny bit of strong, like teeny, like tapping. That's it. That's so lovely. I do love an orange blush. So for my under eye, I'm just gonna run coffee underneath, keeping it very simple. Just gonna diffuse that out. Very pretty. Okay, so highlight time now. I think we're gonna go in with EBENE. Yeah, why not? This is such a gorgeous highlighter palette. It comes with 4 shades. So I'm just gonna go in with this gold down here called Nairobi. Haha. Yeah, and that's such a gorgeous gold. It's definitely not like a blinding highlight. It's more of a kind of natural, subtle kind of glow, which is good for me as there's so much going on with the eyes at the moment that, yeah, it doesn't really need to be like bling, bling, bling in your face. And a little on the brown bone there. And of course, you guys know already, this has to get done. The nose, the flies back. Oh gosh, there we go. And a little bit on the cupid's bow as well, because they're just being extra today. For lips, I don't have a lip liner, so I'm just going to go in with my Obsession liner from MUA Cosmetics. And I've received these beautiful lipsticks from a new brand called Emmeline Cosmetics. And yeah, just have to take a moment out for this packaging. How gorgeous is this? But you guys haven't seen anything yet. Look at this. So it's got the E there. Press on that and boom, the lipstick comes out. Come on, that's impressive, right? It can't be just me that gets excited over these things. Yeah, this is a beautiful nude shade. I've not used this yet, but go on by car. But from the looks of the bullet, I think that's what it's called, but from the looks of it, it looks like it's going to be a great nude for me. And I'm just going to top that with a little bit of, whoops, wrong way, EBENE Cosmetics lip gloss in Brazzaville, I think it's called, Brazzaville. It'll be on the screen or down below, so yeah. This is such a lovely, lovely nude. Love that. That's not actually a gloss, that's a liquid lipstick, and it does dry down matte, which is fine for this look. So I'm really loving this look. Be sure to go and check out all the different brands. I will put all their details down below, so check them out, support them, buy stuff from them. They are absolutely amazing. They deserve more recognition, and I'm gonna be doing that all day now, just like So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Hope you like the look. Be sure to leave me with a thumbs up. I need them. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and yeah, drop me a comment if you feel like it. It's been lovely having you guys here with me. Be sure to click on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I will see you next time. Bye.